Hello, friends, and welcome to Pediatric Flow with Jolene. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about the season that we're in, the season of sniffles. It's that time of year when runny noses seem endless, the coughs linger, and RSV is making its rounds throughout daycares, clinics, and homes. If you've ever held a little one close, listening to every single breath, you know how scary those sniffles can feel. So in this episode, we'll unpack what RSV really is, what to watch for, and how we can help our littles breathe easier with a blend of science, calm, and compassion. So go grab your coffee, take a breath, and let's flow through this season together.